You know I'm always up in your grill trying to keep you motivated when you're learning to code. Let's go through this together. Hey, welcome to another video. My name's Peter. If it's your first time here and you want to learn to code and you want to keep motivated to reach that goal and change your life, then start now by subscribing and click that little bell icon so you don't miss anything. If you're learning to code, you probably are already on Twitter. If you're not, get your butt over there today and set up an account and get tweeting, because I'll tell you what, for coding, I found this thing called hashtag 100 days of code. Dude, it is awesome. It's like a community where everybody says, okay, I'm going to be coding for 100 days straight, and you keep each other accountable in a way that is just awesome and so motivating and so positive, and you get to meet a lot of people from all around the world. I just love it, man. You know, I go through phases where I kind of do Twitter, I don't do Twitter, I hate Facebook, I'm not a big social media junkie, to be honest with you, but especially if you are learning to code, dude, you cannot find a better resource of people who are going through it at your same level for the most part, more or less. I want to read you one tweet that I just felt, man, that dude is awesome in saying that. I'm just going to read it for you right now. Hang on one second. I'm just going to read it off the page. This is from @KNStanley11. Kylie Stanley. And Kylie, I would imagine, is probably a girl. She says, whenever I feel discouraged with coding, I remember that today I can write and understand things I didn't even know existed 2 months ago. That is awesome. Let me just read that for you one more time. Whenever I feel discouraged coding, I remember that today I can write and understand things I didn't even know existed 2 months ago. You're there too, dude. I'm there. It's easy to get discouraged. It's easy to get discouraged when you're going through this because, dude, it's long. It's long and it's frustrating, and sometimes you just think you're never going to get there. Sometimes you think, dude, I'm jamming. But I just always want to let you know that you're not alone. Go and check out hashtag 100 days of code over on Twitter and just do it. Go do it right now. You'll be happy that you did that. I want you to stay motivated, and I want you to stay positive, and I want you to find a bunch of people in this world that are also doing that same thing. You'll feel like you're not alone. You'll feel like you can get through the next day. Sometimes you'll be feeling low and somebody will come in there and say something awesome, and you'll just go like, dude, you're right. I'm being a crybaby. And that's what I just love about 100 days of code, man. Go check it out. Rock on until I see you in the next video. God bless you. Keep coding. What do you say when you want to quit?
I don't quit.